There is a problem of ghar wapsi for the Bharatiya Janata Party, where a lot of people could now come back to the TMC. I would like to welcome Mr. Saugata Roy, Lok Sabha MP of the Trinamool Congress, as well as Pritam Datta, Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha in West Bengal. Saugata Roy, is Mukul Roy coming back to the Trinamool Congress or not? Lots of speculation. The Trinamool Congress also says that there are as many as 35 MLAs of the BJP who are waiting to jump ship. Saugata Roy, can you hear me?
Airbag, eh?
Okay, I'm going to come back to Mr. Roy in just a short moment. Pritam Datta, how about you?
Yes.
Can you answer this question? Are people from your party going to go back to the TMC where they came from? And that's the reason why this huddle is taking place. And what about the future of Mr. Mukul Roy?
No, I cannot commenting anything which is speculation, right? There is speculation that Mr. Saugata Roy and Mr. Abhishek Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee can join BJP also. So I cannot comment on any
No, where is this speculation? I have not heard of this.
I am hearing.
Mamata Banerjee is joining BJP.
Yes, it can happen in politics. Though don't ask any question in speculation, boss. I cannot comment on anything in speculation. Where
Sure, okay.
A party
Here are the specifics. What was the reason for Shubhendu Adhikari to come to Delhi, rush to Delhi? What was the reason for Mr. Mukul Roy to not attend the Chintan Baithak? What is the reason why two MPs of the BJP are rushing to Delhi to meet the party president?
Just give me time. You asked me 3 questions and let me give you the answer. The answer is that first, why Shubhendu came to Delhi? He is the leader of opposition. He can come to Delhi and meet our senior party leaders and our Prime Minister and Home Minister about the violence happening in West Bengal after 2nd May, after post-poll violence.
And is that
which is happening every day. Every day it's happening. You also know today there are shootout is happening in Kolkata itself. So there are many things is happening in Kolkata. That's why Shubhendu can go. And Mukulda's wife is very much critical. She is hospitalized. So for that reason only, Mukulda cannot come, and he is also not well.
Sure.
I personally went to his home to meet him 15 days back.
I can accept that explanation. I can accept that explanation that, there is a crisis, but the manner in which these meetings are taking place, Saugata Roy, can you hear me? Saugata, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, hi.
I can hear you now.
Yeah, so my question to you is, we've heard many leaders of the TMC saying that there are a lot of people who jumped ship to the BJP. They are all willing to come back. In fact, one claim is that 35 MLAs of the BJP want to come back. The bigger question is, will you accept them? Because you call them dirt which has gone away.
They are indeed dirt. And the party has not taken a decision on readmitting people who had left our party, putting us in a difficult position. Now, since we came out trumps in the assembly election and BJP had to bite the dust, many of these opportunists, they want to come back. They are contacting many of us.
Can you name them?
Including some have sent feelers to Abhishek Banerjee. They have not reached Mamata Banerjee yet, but they are trying to. BJP has no future. So these people feel that they must, by hook or crook, at any cost come back. But our party has not taken a decision. There is a lot of resistance within the party that the traitors who left the party at a critical time, they should not be admitted. That is feeling among the grassroots.
What do you feel?
Call will be
Should these people be
Banerjee.
brought back?
I personally feel that I personally feel there should not be any discussion on this issue for 6 months. And I have said so publicly. But as I said, that Mamata Banerjee will take a call. There are two types of people who went from TMC to BJP. We can call some of them soft liners. Those who went to BJP but didn't use strong language against Mamata Banerjee or the party. And there are hardliners who betrayed us and used harsh language against the
Okay,
party.
Mukul Roy is a soft liner or
So
a hard liner?
hardliners are
Shobhit
out
Dada?
in any case. Mukul Roy has played a big role in getting people from TMC to the BJP. He acted as BJP's Trojan horse in the party. But the difference between him and Shubhendu Adhikari is Mukul never used harsh language against Mamata Banerjee. Whereas Shubhendu Adhikari used the harshest language against Mamata Banerjee. So there is a difference between the two. But in action, Mukul may have done more harm to our party because Shubhendu was not able to take so many people. But Mukul was able to take some people with him.
But
Now,
Shobhit Roy,
before,
for you
the
to have
election,
categorized him as a
when the-
soft
but
liner
please,
and
just
not
one
as a
second.
hard liner is kind of giving me a hint of where you're going, which means that he can be accepted.
No, I am not giving you a hint. I am giving you an objective view of the situation.
Sure.
That these BJP wallahs are in a quandary. BJP has no future in West Bengal now or for next 5 years.
Okay.
So even those who are in the BJP, what is their worth? But I remember that when before the election, when media people asked me, they used to say that how long will your party stay? All of your party people are going to BJP. I used to tell them that, see, some people have gone, it doesn't mean that our party is finished. But the BJP through the media ran a campaign that TMC is finished, finito. We shall take all the TMC into BJP. You see what happened. And the bigwigs of BJP,
whether
the
this
Hanumans
conversation
of BJP, all.
whether this conversation will end for 6 months and there will be no movement, or there is actually going to be movement on the ground of a ghar wapsi, massive ghar wapsi or not, we will know in a few days from now or whenever Mamata Banerjee decides, though this classification of soft liners and hard liners is a very, very interesting development. Good night and goodbye.